Very low G at the top. However, as Sean approaches the bottom end of this